Hi, in this video, I'll be explaining you 5 business ideas to make money online. And the fun part is you can start for free. So let's not waste any time and dive into it. Share my screen. Okay, I hope that's visible. Okay, so I'm doing a 30-day YouTube challenge where I will be posting 30 videos in 30 days. Before just starting my this video, let me show you what is coming next, right? 3 tools for entrepreneurs, 3 tools that entrepreneurs can't ignore, 7 books for beginner entrepreneurs, 5 skills entrepreneurs must have, 5 movie entrepreneurs cannot skip, right? So this is something that as an entrepreneur you cannot miss, and I want you to watch all these videos and just hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I post, right, I'll be posting these videos day by day all together, right? So just hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that notified. Okay, so let's start the video, right? Top 5 free business ideas. Okay, so I also have a bonus for you, but the bonus is only for those who stay to the end. So anyways, the first one is blogging. Right now, what is blogging? Blogging is writing on the topics that you like, or you know or you want to write. For example, suppose you are a student and maths is your favorite subject, so you can write on maths, right? Mathematics, how do you solve a certain kind of problems? If your favorite subject is geology, you can write on rocks and all that stuff, right? So that's blogging. You can write a lifestyle, you can write book reviews, you can do anything, right? So there are a lot of platforms that offer you an ability to write for free, and that you can post on free platforms. For example, WordPress is a good example, that if you uh, register on WordPress, you can write blogs for free. But I suggest invest some money and get your domain name and your hosting, so that you can customize stuff according to yourself. All right, writing about stuff you love. Now, how do you initially drive traffic? You can do SEO. Now, SEO is something that you can learn from YouTube tutorials and all that stuff. This is not the video that I'm going to be teaching you SEO, but if you want to learn SEO, just drop a comment and I'll upload a training for that. Promoting offers, you can promote others offer, that is affiliate marketing, which is included in other steps. So let's dive into the next step. The next one is Kindle direct publishing. Now, since you know certain stuff, now I'm assuming that you know certain kind of stuff, because if you are planning to start a business, you must know some stuff, right? Without knowing anything, you cannot start a business. So whatever you know about, for example, let me take an example of a housewife, a typical Indian housewife who may know how to cook good, right? So she can create good recipe books and just promote it. So right, so making hard copy books is a huge investment. So if you don't want to do hard copy thing, you can just publish your book on Kindle, right? So it's an e-copy, it's an e-version, right? So you need not invest in you need not invest high money in the publishing and all that stuff. You can directly get it promoted and directly get it published through Kindle direct publishing. And you can just start with promoting it with your friends. You can just keep a minimum value product and just promote it within your friends, get some initial reviews, and then you can build upon it. The third one, which is very easy, and this thing gives you initial boost to start other businesses. Now, I don't think that this is a sustainable mode of business, but yes, if you want initial traction, this is something you should go for. That is selling your old stuff. You can use social media to promote it, right? So for example, if you are selling this book, right now, this is a book that is the Everyday Hero Manifesto, right, by Robin Sharma. Amazing book. Once you have read it and you think that you are retaining all the content and you did not need this book, so you can just make a post on Facebook and that I'm selling this book for example, this book is 400 rupees. So you can sell it at 350, 300, right? 200 rupees, depending on how the quality you have maintained of the book. So that's an amazing thing. You can sell your old stuff and then reinvest that money into other kind of things that can give you high ROI. The fourth thing is content creation. This is by far the best and free method to to generate income, money online, right? So you can build content on topics whatever you like, right? You want to talk about mindset, you can create stuff around mindset. You want to talk about food, you can talk about food, places, vlogging. There is a lot of ways to monetize your content. Content is something that is going to get boomed in the upcoming years, because a lot of people who are staying at home want to experience stuff before they actually do, right? People go for reviews, people go for for example, some time ago I visited Diu, and I wanted to check how that place is. So I went to YouTube and I saw some vlogs. I saw some what kind of food they eat, right? I went to Google. I read blogs regarding the top 10 places to visit in and all that stuff. So when you create content and people consume it, you can then promote your affiliate offers and all that stuff. But yeah, content creation is something which is a great business idea. If you are good at switching on the camera and speaking, or you are good at creating graphics, or you can learn it on YouTube anyways. If you don't know stuff, you have your cell phone, you have an internet package, just go to YouTube and learn stuff. No one is stopping you from doing that, right? So content creation is a good way to start your business online, because you will, as soon as you bring traction to your content, you will, for example, if you are talking on mindset, maybe some doctors who are some psychologists and some people who want to promote their offers, they may reach you, and you can collaborate with them. So content creation is also a bit slower initially, but it's a sustainable business model in the longer run. The fifth one, which is affiliate marketing, by far the best thing that can ever happen in the digital space. That is, you can promote other people's product. You need not build your own product, right? You can become brand ambassador for something. For example, if Robin Sharma is this is just an example, I don't know it has an affiliate offer or not, but wants to promote his book. He says that 400, this is a 400 rupees book, and whoever promotes this book gets 10% off the sale. So if I sell this book on his behalf, I get 40 rupees out of the 400 which I sold. So this is not my product, I am just promoting it through my blog, through my content, right? And I get the money as a income. So that's good, right? You need not do the hard work of creating your own product. And the same time, you can make money out of it. Amazing, right? Bonus, of course. But before I tell you about the bonus, I want you that please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, because I don't want you to miss on this important stuff. Let's go on to the bonus. Now, if you want to learn how to make money online directly from me, you have to do certain tasks. You have to like this video and just comment learn, LEARN. And once I get 10 likes and 5 comments, very small target. I have a subscriber base of 200 where I'm making this video, but I'm just decreasing the threshold likes and comments value. So 10 likes, 5 comments, and I will post a link to my free training where I will teach you how to make money online. Amazing. Okay, so let me wind up this video. Purav Rathod signing off. Just like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. I'll be teaching you 3 tools entrepreneurs can't ignore. Bye bye.